Let's talk about the Backrooms. It's a place you can fall into, but you might never escape. So that's the terrifying question behind Kane Parsons' hit web series, which kicked off in 2022.
In the series, this place is called The Complex. It feels familiar, but also totally, completely alien.
The first video shows a cameraman from 91 who just no clips, basically glitches right out of reality.
He finds himself lost in this yellow maze, with nothing but that awful buzz of fluorescent lights. But yeah, he pretty quickly realizes he's not alone. Something hostile starts hunting him. Turns out, this wasn't really an accident. A secretive research group called Async found this place first. So back in the late 80s, Async started running experiments to try and open a gateway. They told the public one thing, but their real project, it was way more dangerous. And when they finally opened that gateway, it came with some pretty terrible consequences for everyone. After the gateway opened, missing person cases just shot up. People started randomly no-clipping out. And Async's own researchers found some truly horrifying stuff in there. Hostile life, weird physics, you name it.
Yeah, even their own staff wasn't safe. They'd get lost, suffer time jumps, or just mentally break down. Which leads to this terrifying thought. What if Async didn't just find the Backrooms? What if they created it? And that right there pushes the whole story into the realm of cosmic horror. So the theory goes, they didn't open a door, they basically tore a hole right through space-time. This becomes the big theme, right? In their quest for discovery, they didn't just break rules, they broke reality. And the wildest part of this whole thing, this entire world was built by just one person. Yep, Kane Parsons was only 17 when the production company 824 picked up his series for a movie. So his viral YouTube project is now officially becoming a major Hollywood movie. Just incredible.
It really leaves you with one big question. If you found that door to another reality, would you open it?